ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपः कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Srila Prabhupada wrote purports up to 10th canto, 13th chapter, partly Brahma Samon Lila. In the 11th chapter of 10th canto, in one of the purports, he writes that all of us are struggling to mitigate the miseries. Lot of efforts go in mitigating the miseries, and when miseries are somehow stopped or whatever solved, then we consider that as happiness. Thus, people are losing golden opportunity of being truly blissful in Krishna consciousness. Purport 10th canto 11th chapter. So it's a very significant and deep statement coming from a pure devotee, which means most of our efforts in life go in solving problems and mitigating the miseries caused by the problems. And when we solve the problems, we consider that we're happy. So actually there is no concept of what is happiness. Happiness is mostly considered as absence of miseries. When there is no problem in a particular day, that day is a happy day. So that's why Srila Prabhupada is telling us that Krishna consciousness and the bliss of Krishna consciousness is totally different from absence of miseries. And Krishna consciousness is not performed to mitigate the miseries. That is supposed to be a side effect of Krishna consciousness. So when we chant Hare Krishna, we are not praying to, oh my Lord, solve my difficulties. I'm in deep trouble, please solve my difficulties. That can be there, but the effort to develop connection with the Lord, to become Krishna conscious, should be much, much more than the prayer of solving for our difficulties. We have to keep in mind every morning when we chant Hare Krishna that we are not sitting here to chant Hare Krishna to pray to the Lord to solve the miseries. We are here in the morning to develop connection, affection, attachment, and love for the Lord. So when that is clear in the mind, then you will see that automatically all our problems are also getting solved, and they will get solved. Lord gets involved to solve the difficulties of his devotees who love him. All the worst things in life turn out to be good for those who love God. Primarily, separately trying to mitigate miseries is not intelligence. What is important is to make efforts to develop love for Godhead, love for Sri Krishna. And when we develop love for God, Sri Krishna will take care of our miseries and see that we get through all our difficulties. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Thank you very much. Are there any questions? Thank you, everybody. Hare Krishna.